2016 C63s AMG. That's what it sounds like before. I'm gonna do some work to it. It's got upgraded turbos on it, upgraded downpipes. You can tell it sounds mean already. Again. Very nice. Here's sound decibels. We're right at 93, 94. Again. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you hear it after. 2016 AMG C63 AMG bi-turbo, fully built, pushing 850 horsepower, guys. So he's gonna get a methane kit next, and he's gonna push 1200 horsepower. That's what he said. So he's getting a wrap next week, and once he pushes 1200, he's gonna bring it back. We're gonna go for a ride along. So it's got downpipes, catted downpipes, full tune, all that good stuff. I don't know if they're catted or not. I'm not sure. I didn't ask. Don't ask, don't tell. Anyways, then it's got its first H-pipe there with a valve, Mercedes special. Then True Duals continue, and then it's got another H-pipe there. And what we did, the usual, straight piped it, because why not? So the resonators were there, we straight piped it there. The mufflers were there, we took them off and straight piped it there and there, as you guys can see. And then there's the two resonators that were on it, right there. And there's the two mufflers that were on it. He's gonna tell us what's under the motor. What's been done to it?
It has Pure 900 turbos, ECU and TCU out of DME and CPC module, catless downpipes, BMS intakes. So yeah, it's a pretty fun car. So the straight pipe's gonna wake it up.
Absolutely. He came to the best to get it done. So here we go. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and
subscribe.
Yeah. Guys, you can tell he's been having fun. Look at the tires on it. He's got a new set coming. He's going to change the wheels on it too. I think you should go with all black with a nice deep dish. Let me know what you guys think. So do you go with all black deep dish? Told you to open it up. Now it's like 82. I made him jump. That's so funny. He actually jumped. That pop we're looking for. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Here's sound decibels. 113. He's gonna put it in his Sport Plus for us, guys. 1 second. Go ahead. Yeah, much better. It changed the sound completely. You can actually hear the turbo spool up now. Much better. Here's with the again. 115 compared to what it was, 85, 90? Yeah, 90. Got a nice idle to it too. Oh my God. If you take some of the weight away, look at this. That's how they're supposed to sound, dude. Oh my God, a whole different car. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. You guys gotta admit the Germans know what they're doing. Look at that nice barb. Horses trying to escape. He's gonna two-step it, guys, so it barbles. 1 second. Here we go. Take it down the road, man. Beast mode. Wow. What a beast, man. Just a... Wow. It's like shotguns going off, man. Machine gun. Wow. Yeah, that 850 horsepower, bro. Traffic, damn it. You notice? He's getting the hang of it. Like he's just having fun. Now it's nice and warmed up. It's a whole different beast, dude. Perfect?
Yeah, I love it.
All right.
I appreciate you, man.
I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah.
Thanks for putting on the show.
Anytime.
Hell yeah. To show you guys, you ain't kidding it. Look at that. Woo. That's a motor. You guys just don't know what these things can hide. Wow. Definitely a sleeper. Yeah. Woo. No other word explains it better than beautiful. And now we say goodbye to this beautiful C63. That sounds good. We had fun with it. The traffic. It's still here. Wow.